and welcome back to the Volume Vegan Cooking channel. Today I am showing you another part of my Mediterranean feast from this week, the oil-free hummus. Now, I wouldn't call hummus a volume eating food, as chickpeas are high in carbs and in calories. But if you save calories by not adding oil to this hummus recipe, you get to enjoy all of that fresh flavor and the fullness that you get from all of that bean protein while still staying on track. So go ahead and pull out your blender and let's get started. So here we have 2 cans of garbanzo beans or chickpeas. Alright, so we're going to add the chickpeas to a blender. I am using a commercial blender that I used to use with my vegan cheese business, and it's scratched up. It definitely looks like it's been through some work, but I really needed a powerful blender to really smooth out the nuts, cashews, sunflower seeds, almonds, things like that I would use as a base for my cheese recipes. So what I would advise is having a blender in your kitchen that is Vitamix level quality, because if you're going to make things like nut butters or your own very creamy sauces made out of nuts and seeds, and even just getting this hummus as velvety smooth as you're going to see at the end of this recipe comes from having very powerful blades, a very powerful motor, and it whips a lot of great, air into it and adds a lot of volume. So it's really important to have a great blender in your kitchen. And I'm going to add in a teaspoon of sea salt. And you're going to add in 3 minced cloves of garlic. I go heavy on garlic, you guys. If you want to go heavy on it like I did, do that. If you want to use less, do that. Here we're going to add in some extra healthy fats and protein. Add in 1/3 of a cup of tahini. Now that is sesame seed paste. It looks like I've got a little bit more in there because I eyeball mine. I do not measure it because tahini is very hard to get out of measuring cups. Much like peanut butter and things like that. So I kind of eyeball that. And here I am adding in 1/2 cup of lemon juice. I am using this measuring scoop, as you can see here, that is, it's actually 2 tablespoons. I didn't have anything else that was big enough to do the 1/2 of a cup without washing something, and I was just kind of in the zone. So if you didn't know, 8 tablespoons is a 1/2 a cup, and and the little scoops that I'm using there are 2 tablespoons worth of measurement. So it wouldn't be a meal if I wasn't adding Frank's Red Hot. Add a few drops of your favorite hot sauce. Just add some dynamic flavor to it. And now it is time to get blending. We don't have as much liquid in this as we would if we were using olive oil. So I put some splashes of just water in there to get it thinned out enough so that it really starts to blend nice and creamy and velvety, so you can get that really smooth texture that we're really looking for, as you're going to see in just a moment. Isn't that kind of mesmerizing? What is visual ASMR? And then we have the final product, very, very smooth and velvety, as I was describing. It's perfect. I add a little paprika to the top. Here I've got the plated feast. This is my kid's plate. He puts one more falafel on there than I can really handle. And of course, we've got that cauliflower tabbouleh salad that you can absolutely eat as much of as you like. And a big spoonful of the hummus, and you've got a plate full of food. It's nutritious, low calorie, and you're going to be absolutely stuffed after you eat it. Thank you so much for watching my video and sticking it out. I hope that you make this hummus and that it becomes a staple in your household like it has mine. This is a very, very versatile hummus. You can do just about anything to it. Add in your own flavors, sun-dried tomatoes or roasted red pepper, garlic, all of the delicious, hummus flavors that we love so much. You can add to this base and it's perfect. You can get the recipes for the cauliflower tabbouleh and those baked falafel that you see plated here in the description. They're on my channel. Please, if you enjoyed yourself, if you like this video, if you're going to make it, like this video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel while you're here and turn on that notification bell so that you will get a notification every time I post a new video. Until next time, bye-bye.